Ooh, are you still wrestling with your Blackstone hardcover?
Yeah, I just wanted burgers, but it keeps turning into a medical event.
Yeah, that can happen.
Every time I cook with my Blackstone, I gotta figure out where to put that screaming hot hardcover. It's like the patio, the chair, my wife's flowers. There's just no good options.
You need Stonehenge.
Stonehenge?
It's the original hinge and handle kit for your Blackstone hardcover. It turns your hardcover into a hinged lid. No more hot hardcover juggling, no more setting it on the ground, and certainly no more ER visits when you want to flip a burger patty.
So you just open it.
That's the dream.
And it stays there the whole time?
Yeah. You open it, you cook, and you close it.
Honey, come get my phone out of my pocket. We need one of these. And can you scratch my nose?
Brought?
Can you just feed it to me?
Sure.